Hello there, welcome back to 30 days AutoCAD course. So in day 14, we have to discuss how to apply hatch pattern in any object. Okay. So in this day 14 only, we have to learn three topic here. In first topic, we have to see the introduction to hatch pattern, means how to add patterns to any area, any object that we have to learn. And in second topic, we have to learn about how to customize hatch pattern. Okay. In that I will show you how to create a unique design, okay, by customizing hatch pattern. And in third topic, we have to see how to apply hatch pattern to represent materials. Okay, so let's start with the first topic, introduction to hatch pattern. So what is the use of this hatch command in AutoCAD? So that first of all we have to try to understand. Okay, the hatch command in AutoCAD is used to fill pattern inside an enclosed area. Suppose you have drawn any enclosed area and you want to fill any pattern. Okay, we have a different types of pattern. I will show you in AutoCAD. You want to apply any of the patterns. So just first of all, remember you have to draw the enclosed area. Then just give the pattern as per your requirement. The pattern are hatch, gradient and solid fill as per your requirement. Okay, what you want to give, you can give it. Next, there are several hatch pattern available in AutoCAD. We can choose the desired pattern from the list of the patterns according to the requirements. The number of hatch pattern or hatch line represented in any pattern can be adjusted with the help of the hatch pattern scale. Okay, so let's see the use of hatch command in AutoCAD software. So for that, first of all, just open your software here. See, now here I am drawing any object first. Suppose here I have drawn one rectangle, then inside this rectangle I have drawn one circle. Okay, now I will show you how to fill the hatch pattern. So remember, you can select the hatch pattern or hatch icon from the ribbon panel. See here, in this ribbon panel you will get the hatch icon. From here also you can select the hatch command, or otherwise in command line just type H, enter. Now see, you are in hatch command. Okay, now from the pattern panel, from here you can select any of the pattern which you want to apply. Here you have to hit on drop down list. See, the different pattern is shown here. Okay, suppose you want to apply any of the pattern, suppose this pattern. Okay, so select that pattern, earth pattern I want to apply, hit on that pattern. So now the earth pattern is selected. Okay, now here you can see in boundaries panel two option is given, pick point, select point. So here first I will show you how to fill pattern by using pick point. So here we have to pick an internal point inside a circle. Suppose if you want to draw any pattern inside this circle, so what you have to do, just hit on pick point and select, see, and pick an internal point inside a circle. We can pick any point inside a circle, anywhere you can pick, but remember whatever point you are picking inside the circle only. Okay, so here you can see a hatch pattern will be created inside this circle. Just left click, and to come back from the command just press the enter or escape key, like this. See, we have filled the pattern. Same way, again just type H, enter. Suppose in rectangle also you want to fill any pattern. So from here first of all you can select the pattern. Suppose this pattern I have selected, hit on pick a point and pick an internal point inside a rectangle, like this. Now see, here we get the command, and to come back from the command I have told you, you have to press the escape key or enter. See, in this way you can apply the pattern. Now the next is, which I want to show you, just press the control Z first of all. Okay, now again use the H command, H, enter. Now here the second point is given. Suppose any of the pattern you have selected, this one only. Okay, we have to fill the pattern inside the circle. So in boundary panel, see the option is given select boundary object. You can select the boundary object only in which you want to fill the pattern. Suppose I want to fill this pattern in this inside the circle. So I have selected the circle. See, the pattern is ready. Same way here when you type H enter, suppose any of the pattern you want to fill here inside this rectangle. So you can select this boundary object and just select that rectangle. But remember, when you select the rectangle, this pattern will fill inside the total rectangle, okay? Not only this space. See, because we are selecting the boundary. See, inside this circle also you will get that pattern. You can see plus sign pattern is shown. Okay. So if you don't want to fill this pattern which you have fill in rectangle inside this circle, so what you have to do? So simply just delete it from here and type H enter. So better is to select pick point and inside this rectangle pick a point. Now see that pattern you will get in this rectangle except circle. Okay, so in this way you can fill any of the pattern. Now suppose just press the Ctrl Z. So this is all about pattern. Now here we have a different option. When you go in H pattern, H enter, see here in this property panel, hit on this drop down list. Here you can, if you want to create the solid pattern, you can select from here also solid pattern, and otherwise I think here in drop down list of pattern, see the first option is given solid pattern. From here also you can create the solid pattern. So I will show you. See, suppose I want to create the solid pattern, so pick a point inside this circle. See here you will get the solid pattern. Okay, in this way you can create the solid pattern. Now next other option is also given. When you just hit on drop down list, gradient option is given. When you select here, you can fill the gradient, hit on pick a point and select it inside this circle. Now see the gradient is ready. Here you can see you can change the color combination from here. It is blue and yellow, it is showing now. You want to change the color combination, you can change it from here. You want some different, you want the combination between cyan color and suppose between cyan and yellow color. See here you will get this one. From here you can change it as per your requirement, what gradient you want. Okay, change it from here. Simply if you want to fill the pattern, this gradient pattern, so here we have to select the gradient first of all, and suppose I want to change the color combination, I want between blue and yellow only. Okay, select any of the gradient from the list. Here we have a different, suppose I have selected this one, then hit on pick up plane and inside this rectangle I want. So see, in this way you can fill the pattern, solid pattern and gradient. So this is all about introduction to H pattern. I hope all of you enjoy this session. See you in next one.